Okay, to grid your paper for the game and toy project, there's paper up near the board at the front table. It is going to be 13 by 10, I believe. So you're going to give it a 1/2 inch border. So up on the top, around all 4 sides, we're going to create a border just like we did for the hand project with a 1/2 inch. So we'll mark a 1/2 inch and a 1/2 inch on all 4 sides. And while this is not the most exciting demo, it's necessary to follow all the steps. So I'm going to do the whole grid with you. Once you have your 1/2 inch marks on all 4 sides, you go ahead and connect the dots and create that thin border around your paper. Remember, the border it's not as important that it's light because it's just the outside edge, but your inside grid needs to be light when we do our squares. Now, our paper size for the project is 9 by 12, which if you followed the first demo on how to crop your photo and grid it digitally is going to be 3 to 4 or 4 to 3 in regards to like size. I can't think of the word. Just how big, like 4 inches to 3 inches. So we are going to grid this every 3 inches. And I'm going to go around all 4 sides. Mark 3 and 6 on the short sides, 3, 6, and 9 on the long sides. And I'm just going to make a little mark. You can do it just outside the border if you want. I'm just doing it inside so I can see it. Once I have my marks on all 4 sides, the same thing that we did for our hand drawing or ASL. Sorry, we didn't do this for ASL. Just kidding. When we do our grid, since we haven't done a full grid yet, I want you to hold the pencil at the back of your pencil and just glide it across the ruler so that what you're left with is a very light line. You can barely see it. The lighter the line, the easier it is to erase later. So if you look at your friends in the purple class, you'll see that they have really light grid lines on their artwork, and this is how they did it. Create your marks, and what you should be left with is 3 boxes by 4 boxes, or a total of 12. When you're finished, make sure your name is on the back, and these will store in our class drawer or on the drying rack as we work on them.